What's up, guys? Working on the 2012 Chevy Cruze today. I got the front bumper back from paint and it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. There is a little bit of orange peel, but I talked to the painter, and as soon as he's able to, he's gonna come and cut and buff it out. So pretty excited about it. Got the paint job for a couple $100. Looks really good. It matches well to the car. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and disassemble what was left of the old one and try and transfer the parts onto the new one. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how the emblem turned out. It looks really good. Really glossy. See if you can see that. Against the white, maybe. I think it turned out pretty good. So the front bumper is finished and we're gonna install it tonight, get the lights hooked up, hopefully get the bolts and some of the push pins back in place, try and get the bolts back into the fender wells. May have to take off the tires to get those bolts in. They were a little bit difficult to reach, but yeah, I got the new brackets on, everything. So we're gonna just move forward and see if we can get this bumper at least mounted up tonight and fit on. So here we go. All right, so all the lights are working except for the right marker. I had to actually order that off of eBay. The one that was with the car, I couldn't find it. It was part of the bumper that got broken off. So I ordered a new one. I actually got this fog light on the other side from a salvage yard for 50 bucks. So pretty excited about that. Just got to clean it up and let's see if we can get the rest of this bumper mounted. Pull that out. Not too bad. A little bit off, but not bad. Over here, same thing. It's just a tad bit off. But overall, pretty good for an aftermarket bumper that cost me, after paying, about 300 bucks. So a lot better than $775 what the dealer wanted unpainted. So yeah, let's close the hood and see what she looks like. Kind of excited. This is it's a big moment. I've been looking at this car broken down for the last few weeks. So all right, nice gap there. Other than the little ding in the hood right there, I think it looks pretty damn good, man. Let's see. Let's watch it as it backs up. There she is, folks, 2012 Chevy Cruze, back in business. Wow. Need to get those headlights cleaned to make it look awesome again. Everything looks so good and so fresh. I want to freshen those up now. Put in the comments below. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed, but put in the comments below what you guys think about the black Chevy emblem. Up close, there's a little bit of garbage, a little bit of dust in there. I did my best, with the rattle can and some 3000 grit sandpaper, but I think it looks amazing. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm excited. Got new tires for it, so we're going to be putting those on tomorrow. So for now, this is what she looks like.